Hello, myself Sunil R Nair. Here, basically, we are talking about one of the topic that actually is connected with the time. Also, basically, you can say one of the person told that basically this Earth planet basically moving at which location basically. Then he told that as in that basically it's moving at the right side of me. Assume that basically. So the people who are handling the Earth planet, that is the satellite group basically, who basically gets the set of energies basically, according to that energies basically they are controlling the Earth planet, and according to that energy basically they are moving the Earth planet to that side basically. That 5 crore people basically, human clone basically is the example. So one of the person told that Earth planet is going to move after 70 years to this location. Then he told that okay. So 70 years plan basically somebody has done. So he told that yes basically. So he told that Earth planet is going to move to this location after 70 years. So after 70 years the Earth planet is going to move. Reason, the 5 crore human clone basically has been created. So Earth planet is going to move to that location after the 70 years basically. Then he told that yes basically. Earth planet is going to move after 70 years to this particular location. Then he told that yes basically. That means somebody is so 100% confident that means satellite group, no, basically they are basically controlling the Earth planet. That group basically say that basically this Earth planet is going to move this side after 70 years. So according to that basically they prepare the area that Earth planet is going to move from this side, and this will be the environment, and this side will be the India, this side will be the Pakistan, this side will be the China, this side will be the Europe, this side will be the America. Like this basically they are doing, right, basically. Then he told that yes basically. So according to India basically, the Earth planet is moving this side, India is this side, and Earth planet is moving this side. So the environment basically of the India location basically will be created by Indian group only basically, who are basically telling that basically we can help basically you. Reason, your people basically are also staying here and you are basically doing the investment in the country basically. That's why basically we are going to help you. Then he told that okay basically. Like this basically, that 70 years basically the Earth planet is going to move. That data basically somebody told that it's okay basically. So now assume that basically something basically happened, and due to that basically the Earth planet was not able to move that side basically. Now basically what are the things going to happen? Then he told that the work basically which was done basically, that will be there only basically. Then he told that yes basically. But connected that area and the satellite groups and the physical locations, is anything is going to happen to that areas and the physical location and the people basically who are staying there basically? Because after 70 years basically this side will be the Earth planet, that they are 100% sure basically, and their bodies are also according to that basically, and they have generated the data and they are going to generate the data according to that only basically. Then he told that yes basically. So according to that the data, they are going to generate the data. So by chance basically Earth planet has not moved to that time, and it moved after 30 years or basically 35 years. So that is after around 105, more than 105 years basically the Earth planet moved to that side basically. So anything is going to happen, one of the person asked the question. That basically need to check basically. Reason, the universe basically is keeps on moving and the environment is also basically keeps on moving basically. So that basically will create problem, that or not create problem. So assume that basically both possibility we will take. One side assume that basically it's going to create problem. So problem basically would be what basically? India is this side basically. So it's moving this side. So according to that, if the data is not set it according to that basically, then the earthquake will happen. And few disaster also will happen basically. The disaster would be that side, the data basically which was supposed to be kept, that has not kept. Reason, it has basically moved after 105 years basically. That's why basically the according to the data, the environment was not settled. Due to that, basically, few disaster and the few tsunami or basically whatever disaster is going to happen, the people going to die. That basically is going to die. Basically, reason the group basically who has settled the environment basically, that group basically will get into problem basically. So one of the person asked the question basically. One of the person asked the question basically, how basically the environment everything basically are settled by the, for example, 5 crore people is created, right, basically. So 5 crore people basically are taken care by the World Bank basically. Now basically the World Bank told that basically they were supposed to do this task basically, but it has already 100, now basically after 105 years basically the data is going to reach to this side basically the Earth planet is going to reach. Then he told that yes basically. So like this one of the person told that basically World Bank will, this in this situation basically what is the World Bank is going to do. They told that basically World Bank will start creating the another environment basically, that is the next level environment which they are supposed to create basically. So one of the person told that basically before that means basically lots of set of environments basically can be created, and there is no dependency of first environment to second environment, second environment to third environment basically. Then he told that yes basically. So one of the person asked the question like this basically the project management plan is also designed basically. So just see each and every project management plan management side na basically, that is connecting to the universe basically. Each and every creation basically is connecting to the universe. So one of the person told that like this, first task will get over, according to that the second task is going to come, second task will get over, according to that third task is going to come. So like this basically any dependencies are basically there. Then he told that mostly basically not there basically, but then also possibilities are basically there. So according to that basically the, if by chance basically the Earth planet is going to move after certain years basically, then basically few disaster will happen basically. For that basically you have to be ready basically. Then basically one of the person told that why suddenly basically the Earth planet moved to that side basically. Then he told that by might be some attraction basically, due to that basically it might have moved basically. Due to that basically the Earth planet basically might have moved. So that one of the person told that basically that we will check basically why the Earth planet has moved basically, because satellite basically also was not able to control the Earth planet basically. That's why according to that basically the Earth planet basically moved. According to that basically the Earth planet moved. So one of the person told that basically yes here basically that actually Earth planet has moved. Now basically you can't do anything basically. So he told that now basically Earth planet. So for that one of the person told that basically the Earth planet is going to move this side, that side, whatever side basically. According to that basically you have to be ready. So the plans basically was created that if Earth planet is going to move this side, then this energy is going to side. According to this side, this energy is going to this side. That's why basically one of the person told that basically 215 country basically are created. First previously basically Earth only there was only few countries basically. So Earth planet is going to move this side only basically. But suddenly Earth planet changed his direction. So then they created another countries. Like this basically 215 countries basically the world has created basically. Like this basically the Earth planet is going to might move to that this side also basically. So according to that basically they do the lava blast in the sea water, and then basically they create the city basically. Like this basically they are creating another cities also like this. Like this basically the creation basically are there basically. So according to that up to the level basically few people says that you have to be ready up to that level basically. So one of the person told that this is the time machine basically, which says that basically after 80 years this will be the going to happen, this will going to happen, and that basically options are basically there. If this will not happen, that will not happen, that basically. But Earth planet will be there basically. Current Earth planet generation will be there. That is 100%. So one of the person told that also. So in next video basically we are going to see a little more of this.